Hello my dear student. Today I am going to show you how to point out any places in the map of the world. Simply map pointing of the world. So let's start our discussion. So here I just draw a rough sketch of the world map which shows some continent. This one is North America. This one is South America. Here it is Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, Greenland. So these are the some continents that we found in this world map. Now we point out some places, some important places on the map of the world. So first of all, we place some seaport, that is major seaport. One is here. It is known as North Cape, North, North Cape. Next we found Valparaiso, which we found in southern part of the South America. Valparaiso. So this one also a seaport, and this one is also a seaport. Okay, so these two are mainly seaport. One is North Cape and another was Valparaiso seaport, which was found in the southern part of the South America. Now we talk about some international airport. Okay, so here we found Aden, international airport. So I here only mark I stop A, that means international airport. Then we found Paris. Paris also a capital of France, and obviously it is a very rich in culture and fashion and art. So Paris also known as international airport. So we point out here Paris as I stop at, that means international airport. Now we found part in western part of the Australia. So it is a capital of Western Australia. Part, capital of Western Australia. Next we talk about some industrial region. One industrial region which was we found in North America, Silicon Valley. So here I am going to write Silicon Valley. It is known as industrial region. Industrial region of North America. And here is another region that we found in South America is Sao Paulo. Also a known as industrial region. Sao Paulo is also a center of finance of Brazil. That means a great or a good financial center, we can say, of the Brazil. So one we can point out as a good financial center of Brazil, or we can point out as a industrial region of South America. So one was Silicon Valley that we found in North America, and another was Sao Paulo, which was we found in South America. Then we can say that one capital which was we found here in this island is known as Manila, and it is also a capital of Philippines. Now we talk about different areas that practices different types of agriculture. So first of all, we talk about subsistence agricultural farming that almost we found in North America and South America. So in North America, in northern part and in South America, in almost center or northern part, and in Africa, in western part, and in Southeast Asia, in some parts of Southeast Asia, we found subsistence type of agriculture. That means this area are mainly cultivated subsistence type of agriculture. So here I am going to write subsistence agriculture. This also same as a, that means subsistence agriculture. This one also, and this area, that means in Southeast Asia also practicing subsistence agriculture type of farming. Now next is we talk about Mediterranean agriculture. Now Mediterranean agriculture mainly practice those areas which was around the Mediterranean Sea. So this one is the Mediterranean Sea. So around the Mediterranean Sea, the area that we found mainly practice Mediterranean types of agriculture. So here I am going to mark some areas that was just around the Mediterranean Sea. This one is Mediterranean Sea. So around this Mediterranean Sea, we found Mediterranean agriculture. Okay. So these are the two types of agriculture that mainly we found in some areas of the world. Now next we point out some areas of nomadic herding that is mainly we found in northern part of Eurasia. Northern part of Eurasia, this is nomadic herding. Eurasia. Then we found northern part of Africa. In northern part of Africa also nomadic herding is practices. So here we write nomadic herding. Then in some parts of southwest Africa we also found nomadic herding, and some parts of Madagascar island we also found nomadic herding types of agriculture. Then obviously in central part of Asia, including China, also included in nomadic type of herding. So this was also nomadic herding. Okay, this is China and some parts of Asia. So that's all for today. Thank you.